In this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the screen a bit so that students don't have to answer so many questions to unveil the picture. You'll notice here that there are 4 polar bear pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're only going to want the students to uncover this particular polar bear picture. To do that right now, they would have to answer questions in cells all the way down to about 13 and then across to column E and multiply that all out, and it's about a zillion questions. So we're doing this for younger kids. We only want them to answer about, I don't know, 9 questions or so. And in order to do that, we only have to change the column width and the column or the row height. And to do that, I'm going to take my mouse, place it between the row designations here, and just drag it down. And so I've got 1, 2, 3, and I'll adjust those here a little bit, and I'll do the same for the columns, and now I've got 3 there, and now I have a total of 9 blocks. Not all cells have to be the same exact size. That's nice if they are, but they don't have to be. And so there, now I just have 9 different blocks that students will uncover by answering questions correctly, and that will reveal this picture. The other polar bear pictures will be covered up entirely, so you will not have to worry about those.